Let's look. There's more. Come here. Let's go in. Let's go in your basket.
Just leave your biscuit.
Open your basket. Look.
Open your biscuit. Wow! What's that? What's that?
What's that?
Molly.
That's Molly?
Yes. Molly is a good swimmer.
Oh, she's a good swimmer?
Whoa! What's that?
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, no, don't play with that. That's not a toy.
That's not a toy. But I don't see Molly. Where's Molly?
There's more in here. Go look.
Oh no! What is that?
What's that?
What's that?
Who's that?
That's Molly.
That's Molly?
That's Molly again. Now you gotta go find him. Whoa! What is that?
What's that, baby?
And then
That's M&M's.